my beauties, my name is Jan Benham from Purèz Cosmetics and Purèz, and today we're going to talk about Kajal pencils, and I'm going to do a demonstration on how best to use them. So in the past we have sold our Kajal pencils like this, and this is all very well and good. You see a number of videos where I'm painting them on, or even using a brush to paint on, and then using almost like a base for a smoky eye look. And the two that work really well for this have been what I call the bedroom eyes, which is a dark grey soft black, and also the Allure brown. Now the only problem with these pencils is they've got a beautiful creamy texture, so it goes on like a rich cream eyeshadow and stays all day, and can be used in the waterline as well. But the biggest problem we've had is that when these tips eventually come up and you have to start sharpening them, the texture is too creamy sometimes to sharpen correctly, so you end up with a little bit available at each time. And so I was trying to figure out a way around this. So one thing I decided to do was to make a firmer mixture. So I've made this into using exactly the same ingredients, because they're beautiful ingredients for the eyes and for the lashes. And I basically just made it firmer and put them into also the twisted pencils. So they're available in a few shades in the twisted pencils. And then you can use them as without sharpening, and for specific things like eyeliners, and using in the waterline where you need precise application. Then what I've done is with this product, I've reformatted it. So it's exactly the same product as before, but now we've got it into this. So this is a Kajal, exactly the same formula in this point. So this is a little bit more pointed than this actually, which is great. And it also has more product in than this. So there's a lot of pluses. Now people will say, well, what happens when you wear this down? Well, exactly the same as with this. What I usually use is I often apply using a brush, and I'm going to demonstrate that. So using the side of the brush and then applying it that way, and then keeping the point for when you need precise application. So we've now, so with this, I've got 4 colors now. So we have the brown, and I am going to do a swatch deliberately. Let's see how we can do this. So I'm just going to do a swatch on the side here. So this is the brown. And it's a beautiful base as a base for eyeshadow to go on top, and using it into the outer edge of the eye and also underneath the eye as well, especially when it's smudged out, and it does last all day. And then we have a new one, which is actually a grey. Just let me figure this out. That's it. So this is a grey, it's a new color. It's called Celeste, and again it really works more like a cream eyeshadow, a nice grey cream eyeshadow. So I'm doing this swatch here so you can see the differences between them. So looking here, this is the black one, which is new, and this is suitable. It might be a little bit dark to use as an eyeshadow, but you could use it on the waterline, and you can use it as an eyeliner using an angled brush on it. You can use it then as an eyeliner. Then we have bedroom eyes, which is again exactly the same formula as our bedroom eyes eyeshadow that we had before. So it's this color as well, but in this format. So in this format. Then we have the grey, which has a tiny touch of shimmer in, and then the Allure brown. So we have 4 shades so far, and I'm thinking we possibly might make other shades such as blue and green as well. So I'm going to show you an application of the brown, and I'm also going to show you an app with some eyeshadow as well and how I would use it. And then I'm also going to show you an application with the bedroom eyes and an application with the, probably just do the two, the new grey and the brown. And the grey, of course, can be used the same as the bedroom eyes. And we'll see which one you like best.